Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of English in Easy Mode. In today's episode, we will continue managing the greatest laundry store in the city, and you'll see I've made some improvements. I added one more plant on the ceiling. I also added a big plant here. I added another big plant over here. It's a palm leaf plant. And then I added a bench in case it gets busy and we need to have somewhere for the customers to sit while they wait. Oops, I did not mean to do that. I want to open. Okay, apparently I have put the plant in the way of the sign. So we'll just do this and good as new. I'll go wait back here for the customers. Oh, what is this? Motivational poster. It says, I wish my bank account refilled as fast as my laundry basket. Okay, where should we put the motivational poster? Let's put it here so I can see it when I'm folding and ironing. Ooh, 3 orders already. Let's get these into the wash machines. Perfect. Okay, this one's about to be done. All right. We will put it in the dryer. This one is also done. And this one is done. Thank you. I will have this ready for you by the end of the day. Ooh, it has a pet hair order. That means I can get a bigger tip if I use my lint roller. Ooh, finally, we have an order that's ready to iron and fold. Same as before. Iron the pink shirt and then the red shirts. All done. Now we fold the first one, fold this one, and fold this one. Leave this here. I'm sure the owner will be back soon. Get that one in the wash, that one dryer. Go fold this one. First we have to iron it. Okay, iron this orange shirt. Now the red shirt. Now iron the white shirt. Iron the pink shirt. One more white shirt. Good. I have a feeling that as soon as I'm done folding these, the person's going to be here to pick up their order. Yep. Order number 1, first order of the day. Have a lovely day. Let's get this ironed and folded. Done. To iron this one and this one. Time to fold. Oop. Fold and fold. Customer number 2. Well, what do you know? Your order is right here. Okay, these are ready to... Oh, level 5. Alright, get these drying. And this one I will take over here. Oh, you know what? We have a lot of orders piling up. Okay, you're here for order number 3. Sorry for the wait. Have a great day. Okay, now we can get to the ironing. Don't iron this one, the other red one, another red one, and an orange one. Fold the orange one. Fold all the red ones, the last orange one. Alright, oh, this one I have to use my lint roller because it has animal hair. Oops. Here we go. This guy obviously has at least one pet. Almost done, and perfect. Oh, I just finished getting the pet hair off for you. I hope you are happy with your service. Put that in the wash. These are all ready to dry. Yeah, the afternoon is always the busiest part. That's when my machines start getting a little bit full. So we'll iron this one. Iron this one. Now we will fold all 3 shirts. 1 and 2 and 3. And we're done. Another one ready to be washed. This one's ready also to iron. Okay, iron the red shirt, iron the pink shirt. Oh, just 2. That was a small order. Fold the first one, fold the second one. And perfect timing, because I have order number 5 for this gentleman. Please come back soon. All right, get that one drying. And we will proceed with the ironing. Boom. And done. Blue shirt done. Fold the orange. Fold the other orange shirt. And fold the blue shirt. Customer number 6, I have something for you. Have a nice day. Another order with pet hair. These are ready to dry. Alright, we've got about 3 hours until the store closes. And then things will slow down a little bit. Then I can relax. And just focus on the orders that people have already dropped off. Fold the white shirt. And fold all the rest. It's a big order. Customer number 8, one moment. I will have your order in a second. Here you go. Thank you. Put this one in the wash. All right, this one is ready to be ironed. Iron the red shirt and iron the orange. All right, time to fold. Fold this one, fold the last one. Okay, customer number 7. Please tell your friends about the new amazing laundromat. All right. Now we can iron the white shirt and the red shirt with the bowl. Now we fold the white one and the red bowl. Okay, customer number 10. Here is your order, fresh out of the dryer. This one can go into the dryer. These can go into the washing machines. All right. All right, we do have one that's ready to iron and fold. Iron the red shirts, 2 red shirts, and an orange shirt. Okay. Fold both of the red shirts, fold the orange shirt, and this one is ready to be picked up. Customer number 9, thank you. Hope to see you soon. Okay, the laundry store is closed, which means no new customers. I just have to finish the orders that I already have. That was a big order, 5 shirts. And now we will fold all 5. Finishing off with the orange shirt. Customer number 11. I do have your order ready, as promised. Come back soon. What? Oh no. It's broken. I hope this fixes it. Yeah, we just hit it until it stops having electricity shooting out of it. Okay, good as new. Perfect. Oh, wait, sir, sorry. My machine was about to explode. I apologize for the slight delay. But please come back soon. I will give you 5% discount next time. Whew, we almost had a laundry machine explode. And that would not be good for business. Okay. This one is ready for the customer to pick it up. This one... Oh my god, now a dryer is broken? See, this is what happens when I can only afford the cheap used ones. Oh no, and now my floors are slippery? Oof. Oh god. Please don't sue me, ma'am. I was just about to clean that up. This day has been a little bit of trouble. Okay. Everything's calm. I'm so sorry. Next time I will give you 50% off. Mop the floors. Yes, don't worry. I will mop them. Please don't leave me 1-star negative reviews. Okay. This day has had a little more excitement than I would have liked. We had 2 machines break with electricity shooting out of the sides. And then somehow we got water on the floor. And a customer slipped, which usually is not good for business. All right, let's just finish folding and try to avoid any more disasters for the day. Okay. All right, 14, here you go. Please tell everyone how dry and clean our floors have been. Thank you. And this is maybe I think this is the last order with the pet hair on it. So we will just iron it as usual. And then we will fold it as usual. Okay. Now I just have to lint roll. Okay, wait. I don't want to make this customer wait. Okay, now I can do the lint roll. Is that it? No more. Yep. Everything is dry. Floors are clean. And we can give the last customer of the day her order. Please notice I've cleaned off all the pet hair. Thank you, and come back soon. Oh, of course, she makes a mess where I just cleaned, but that's okay. Whew! New tutorial. Broken machine. Okay, now it tells me. Yeah, I already figured out. Machines can malfunction after being used. Okay, flooded. When a malfunction machine isn't repaired for a long time, it causes water leakage. Yeah, I figured that out too. But the water was over here, and these are the dryers, so how did the water come out from the dryer? I think I might need to upgrade my machines soon, because these ones break after just a few days. Alright. Let's pay our bills. Pay the water bill, pay the electricity bill. Good. Now we'll check the daily report. 16 customers. Okay, we're getting more customers each day. Money earned, $72.50. Tips, $13.46. Okay, it's a little bit crazy today. We had a customer slip on a puddle, and the machines broke and had sparks flying out the sides, but we managed to fix everything. We resolved everything, and I think we are ready for the next day. So I will see you guys in the next one.